Good morning, students. Welcome back to chemistry classroom once again. Hope all of you watched the last video. Today I will start from graphite. So look at your book. Graphite is a black opaque solid. Opaque means it is not transparent. मतलब इधर उधर दिखाई नहीं देता है. Found in the large deposits in many countries like China, South Korea and India. It is artificially prepared by the strongly heating coke with silica in an electric furnace. So basically, natural graphite is available in many countries, but it is artificially prepared by strongly heating coke. Coke को बहुत ज़्यादा heat देने पे with silica in an electric furnace. Artificial graphite is formed. 3C plus SiO2, silica, silicon dioxide, फॉर्म हो रहा है सिलिकॉन कार्बाइड SiC प्लस कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड. सो कार्बाइड सिलिकॉन कार्बाइड को अगर दोबारा हीट देंगे वहां से सिलिका अलग हो जाएगा प्लस ग्राफाइट इज फॉर्म्ड. प्रॉपर्टीज. Graphite has a density of 2.2 gram per semi-cube. Unlike diamond, it is a very soft. So, as because the graphite is allotrope of carbon, diamond is too hard as but graphite is very soft in nature. Graphite melts at 3700 degrees Celsius. It is a good conductor of heat and electricity. So as comparing with diamond, diamond is a bad conductor of heat and electricity. Though it is a allotrope of carbon, same way, it is a good conductor of heat and electricity. It burns in air 700 degrees Celsius to give carbon dioxide. Now, structure. Graphite contains layers of hexagonal rings of carbon atoms joined together. So, in case of diamond, it is a pentagonal structure. But in case of graphite, it contains a layer of hexagonal rings of carbon atoms. Hexagonal matlab there are 6 carbons in the ring. That's why the structure will be like hexagonal. Look at this figure. Each figure contains 6 carbon atoms in a ring. Each carbon atom is shared by 3 rings. These rings occur in different planes, arranged parallel to each other. Each layer is held by the adjacent layer with weak force. So basically, carbon atoms combine together via parallel ring, but the ring is too weak. That's why graphite is very soft in nature. The adjacent carbon layer can slide over one another. इस दौरान अगर थोड़ा भी हीट देंगे नॉर्मली ये कार्बन लेयर जो है एक दूसरे के ऊपर चढ़ जाता है. इस दौरान जो प्रॉपर शेप है बिखरने के कारण ग्राफाइट टूट सकता है. As you can see, graphite and diamond have different structures. This accounts for the difference in their properties. So, structure different होने के कारण their properties is different from each other. You will learn more in higher class. Look at the structure. Here is hexagonal ring. There are 6 carbon atoms combined with the parallel ring. So, the parallel ring is too weak. That's why the carbon atoms can easily roll over each other. तो इस दौरान एक दूसरे के ऊपर चढ़ जाने के कारण ये रिंग टूट जाता है और ग्राफाइट इज सॉफ्ट इज इन नेचर फॉर दिस रीजन. इसी कारण के लिए ग्राफाइट बहुत वीक होता है, आई मीन सॉफ्ट होता है. नेक्स्ट, यूजेस. ग्राफाइट इलेक्ट्रोड्स आर वाइडली यूज्ड. It is used as a solid lubricant for machines that work at high temperatures. इस पॉइंट को बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ना. Graphite used as a solid lubricants for machines. So, for reduce the friction of machine, we can use graphites as a solid lubricant that works at high temperature. The internal combustion engine of a motor vehicle. Graphite leaves a mark on paper. In fact, the lead of a pencil is graphite mixed with clay. नॉर्मली पेंसिल में हम लोग जो ग्राफाइट यूज करते हैं तो उसी के साथ क्ले मिला होता है. Being very soft, graphite has to be mixed with clay. So, as because graphite is too soft, इसी कारण जब पेंसिल का लीड बनाया जाता है उसी के साथ क्ले मिक्स होता है। द ग्रेटर प्रोपोर्शन ऑफ ग्राफाइट द सॉफ्टर द पेंसिल। तो ग्राफाइट का प्रोपोर्शन जितना ज्यादा होगा पेंसिल उतना जल्दी टूट जाएगा। द टर्म ग्राफाइट इज डिराइव फ्रॉम द ग्रीक वर्ड ग्राफो मीन्स आई राइट। सो ग्राफो मीन्स आई राइट, अभी मतलब खुद लिख रहे हैं। इट इज यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग क्रूसिबल फॉर द कास्टिंग मेटल्स। तो मेटल्स को एक्सट्रैक्ट करने में भी हेल्प करता है ग्राफाइट। ए मिक्सचर ऑफ ग्राफाइट एंड लिंसीड ऑयल इज यूज्ड फॉर द पेंटिंग थिंग्स मेड ऑफ आयरन। इस पॉइंट को भी अच्छे से पढ़ना। व्हेन ग्राफाइट मिक्स्ड विथ लिंसीड ऑयल it used as a painting substances, which substances are basically made from iron. तो आयरन आर्टिकल्स जब पेंट करने की जरूरत होता है then we can easily use graphite with linseed oil. It is used in the nuclear reactor. Next, fullerenes and carbon nanotubes. Fullerenes and carbon nanotubes are crystalline forms of carbon. Nanotubes have played a great role in the development of an altogether a new technology known as nanotechnology. So nanotubes basically it is a form of carbon. It is used in different types of development of technology. That's why it is also known as nanotechnology. You will learn about these allotropes in higher classes. Next, the amorphous form of carbon. Unlike the crystalline form, the amorphous form of substance contains loosely held particles. So unlike the crystalline form, here is the carbon particles combined together with strongly bond. But in case of amorphous form, they contains loosely held particles. These particles easily separate and make available a large surface area. तो normally ये particles एक दूसरे से बहुत loosely packed है, इस दौरान एक दूसरे से easily separate भी हो जाता है और normally surface area को increase करता है. When a piece of substance breaks into two new surfaces are created. If the pieces keep on breaking, newer surfaces appear. So the more powdered ये substance, the larger in the surface area. तो नॉर्मली जितना ज्यादा वो पाउडर सब्सटेंस में ट्रांसफर होगा उतना ही ज्यादा उसका सरफेस एरिया ग्रो करेगा. Because of its larger surface area, the amorphous form of a substance is generally more active than the crystalline form. So, in case of crystalline form of carbon, amorphous form contains a great larger area surface. It can generally active rather than crystalline form. So, look at the structure. The charcoal. Charcoals are prepared by a process known as destructive distillation or pyrolysis. इसके नीचे दाग लगाना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Charcoals are prepared by a process that is also known as destructive distillation or pyrolysis. In destructive distillation, a substance is heated in the absence of air with a view to breaking bigger molecules into smaller ones. So in the destructive distillation process, a substance is heated in the absence of air. क्योंकि इसको हमको तोड़ के स्मॉलर पीसेस में ट्रांसफर करना है, इस दौरान उसको हम हीट देंगे इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ एयर. दिस प्रोसेस इज ऑल्सो नोन एज destructive distillation or pyrolysis. During this process, certain substances distill out and may be collected. So during this process, larger particles breaks into smaller particles. I mean distill out into smaller particles. These particles are collected. Wood charcoal. So student, I will start wood charcoal in the next class. I hope all of you understood what I discussed in this video. So for today, up to this portion.